we have stupidly agreed to go wild swimming in probably the coldest water at the coldest time of the year ever. Yeah! We're told the health benefits are amazing, but none of us are quite convinced at the moment, so you'll have to ask us again in about an hour's time. Yeah. I don't know which I prefer more at the moment, to be fair. We shall see. Right, we're here. We're doing it and we're going in the waterfall, so this might be my last will and testament. It's quite fortuitous as I brought a will writer with me. So see what happens there. Wow. Well, first one of 3 done. It's alright, it wasn't as bad as I thought. It's cold, obviously, but it's like 3 degrees. Sharon, who was stressing and worrying, is still in, so there you go, says a lot. Well done. But yeah, I enjoyed that. I'm not rushing to get my towel on, feel alright. Now at waterfall number 2. First one was great. I really enjoyed it. A little bit more nervous second time actually, because I know what's coming. Yeah, this is number 2 of 3. A wild swimming day. Already feeling some benefits. I feel rejuvenation and a bit more energy. So yeah, looking forward to after the last one how I'll have that sense of achievement and hopefully have a good night's sleep after this. But yeah, so far so good. Been on a long walk now, and I've done two wild swims and 2 waterfalls, which is brilliant. Done a long walk. We're doing a bit of earthing now, which I've always wanted to try, but I'm struggling. I'm at the back now because my leg is dropping. I'm all over the shop. But and these things where I know I'm struggling and it hurts, and you know, these are the kind of things that would probably stop me from doing it. But I just wanted to give it a go, and I know probably now I should stop, but I'm going to keep going for as long as I can. And then I can have a good rest tonight, and then I'll hopefully be, you know, proud of what I've achieved. Ow! There you go. My foot keeps bending over like that. It's dragging, but yeah, we'll keep going barefoot. But I'm getting there, and I'm proud of myself. So maybe I might duck out on the last swim, but we will see. Lovely where we are, though. I'm enjoying the walk and having a good time. Just in a lot of pain.